up, guys? It's your girl milabtumbles and welcome back to another video. We are talking handstands. Handstands. This is another beginner drill. I absolutely love handstands because it teaches all the fundamentals for a lot of different skills. A lot of different skills. So without further ado, let's go get into it. You are wanting to accomplish a handstand. I love practicing toe scales. Toe scale holds ensure that your body is nice and tight, your toe is pointed, and you are able to push off the ground and land beautifully back into your lunge. Once you have a solid toe scale, I love incorporating push-ups into it. So the athlete will do a toe scale and they will then bend their arms like a push-up. This ensures the athlete is remaining tight and they are becoming more aware of their body. You want to make sure that leg that is in the air is still nice and tight. If it is loosey-goosey, then the athlete will fall all over the place. Keep in mind when practicing this drill, your leg that is on the ground is nice and straight. You do not want a bent leg as you are practicing your push-up. Once the athlete has a toe scale and toe scale push-ups down packed, I then incorporate toe scale baby hops. By doing so, the athlete is becoming aware of not only their body, but how hard they need to kick without kicking over and falling. Once we have a solid toe scale hop, we are then ready to proceed with broken leg walks. Broken leg walks help your athlete kick, be able to move by walking on their hands back and forth, up and down the mat, and maintaining a nice, tight body. Technique in a handstand is the most important thing. Technique, technique, technique. And not only that, you want to be able to squeeze because if you don't squeeze, you will fall. Once these drills are mastered, you are then ready to practice a handstand or a kick and click. A kick and click is where you have straight legs, your feet click, and you come right back down. A handstand is basically your kick and click, but instead of you clicking your feet and then landing back in your nice, beautiful lunge, you are squeezing your body even longer, trying to hold your legs up in the air without them falling over as long as you can. A kick and click can easily turn into a handstand. Keep in mind, if you are the athlete and you are not squeezing, your legs are bent, or your arms bend, you will fall. Once again, you will fall. It is so important to remember to have nice, straight, tight legs and nice, straight, strong arms. I also like when the athlete goes into the handstand holding a T position. They are looking at the mat, their arms are by their ears, they are squeezing and balancing on one leg before they go into the handstand. This ensures good form and balance, and it works those core muscles out. Once you're able to do a handstand, you'll kick up, you'll squeeze, you'll hold, and then you'll land right back down in that beautiful lunge. Yes, as always, we are practicing these drills with adult supervision. If you're a child watching this, if you're a parent watching this, then please watch your child because handstands, if you have jiggly wobbly arms or bent arms, your child or you as the athlete will fall to your head and it will hurt. And we don't want any injuries. We want to stay safe. So practice, practice, practice with adult supervision. But with all that being said, those are the beginner drills to, of course, obtain a handstand and to get a handstand and to make your muscles stronger and your kick harder. All right? Yes, at-home drills. You don't need to be in a gym. You can do it in the comfort of your own house. Also, check out my ebook. It is sold on Etsy and on my website. It is 5 beginner at-home drills that you can do to achieve 5 beginner skills. What are the skills? I won't tell you because you have to go to my Etsy, go to my website, and you have to check it out. Purchase it. Purchase it. So if you like this video and want more, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on some more at-home drills to improve your tumbling skills. All right. So with that all being said, I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.